Rainbow Jellies. Create your own squishy characters, and it's a mystery character and we gotta. These are the steps. First, we choose our character, add the magic goo, and then you get a little squishy. Let's open it. Thank you. Be very careful with the scissors. Okay, Laura. Whoa! Hold on, there's one more. Oh look, there's 2 little squishies in here. Not right now. Now what's the instruction? Oh, and here's all our stuff we need.
So to make the squishy, we're going to need to combine. I believe that you're just going to pop it. You're going to press and pop these 2 bags together with your hands. Just pop it. Don't open this bag. And then you squish it all around to kind of combine them. And it will squirt out of here. They got those 2 little faces. They have these like little keychain rings. They put them on after. And they also got some fluffy hair. There's the hair.
Now let's start parading them.
Okay. And it comes with a very big warning. Do not get this on your clothes or carpet. They're talking about the goo packet, I believe. Looks like she is going to choose that face to make a little llama. It looks like a little llama. And what are you making there? Can I see? Looks like here, she's going to make a cute little cat. And now she's going to place the hair.
Make that down here? Hold on.
Everything has to lock in place really well.
There we go. Now we're gonna have to shut it.
And shut it, and then close that little button so it's sealed tight. This way, none of the goo will squish out. I have 2 colors. We have sparkle blue and white, and purple and sparkle white. Which one do you want?
I don't know. Do you think this? What one do you think will look pretty? This one purple or this one?
I'm not sure. They're too cute, too big.
I think I take red. I take blue.
Okay, so go ahead and start squishing them, kids.
Or do you want pink? Wait, you take that one? Actually, blue. Okay. Oh, I popped it. Bubbles inside. Well, see, you gotta like pop them.
So you popped your little tiny bag in there of slime.
See, I popped them up. I
You too?
I can help you.
And now you're just mixing up those 2 slimes. They're gonna have a chemical reaction. Okay, look at this. It says something about here. It says 1 minute. So I think we have to wait a minute before you squish it in. It says give 1 minute. Do not eat that. Do not eat it.
But do you want yours to be blue or do you want yours to be purple? Which one? I want to be purple. Actually, here.
Purple. Mix it well for 1 minute.
Oh wait, you gotta mix it, Laura, for 1 minute.
Okay, mix it really well. And then you're gonna squeeze it in the mold. And here's the bad part, guys. You have to leave the bag in the mold and come back in 45 minutes. We saw a video before. We thought it was like really fast, right, girls? I showed somebody making one, and then it's like as soon as they squeeze it in there, the little ball came out right away. So that they didn't put that in their video. It was just music. There was no talking. Okay, there you go, girls. Go ahead and push it through. No, don't cut that. So kids, it's like a key. Put it in there. Put it in.
But there's plastic covering it.
Oh. There's a plastic covering. Don't worry. There is a very thin plastic, but it's going to pop when you put it on there. It's like a key. You're gonna hear a snap. Push it down good.
I got my snaps. What? It just...
You gotta put it in there and turn it. I believe.
There we go.
Don't pull it out. Squeeze. So it's like a key. Once it goes in there, you have to turn it. Don't just start squeezing or else you may squeeze out the liquid. And you need all of that liquid to make the little doll. You don't want to waste any. If we didn't read these instructions, we would have opened it right now and thought that magically it turns into a doll. You did it. I don't think there's anything else left in your bag. That's it. No, we can't open it. Don't open it now. It's like cooking. We have to wait now.
Bye, everybody. See you in 45 minutes. Bye. I'll see you later.
So it's 45 minutes later. Finally.
Wow.
We made popcorn. We fed the cat. We did laundry. There was a lot of stuff we could do in that 45 minutes, right, girls?
Mm-hmm. Oh, mine came out perfect.
Wow, let's see. Let's see. We're in. Wow, it did come out perfect. Ooh. Did yours come out perfect? Yay. Is there anything on the back to peel off? I have just a little air bubble. How did yours come out?
Hi, Kitty Gun.
Can I hold it? Ooh, look at that. It's actually squishy.
Why?
Ooh,
Wait, hold on. There's
it's
something
very
in the
cute.
back.
This little kitty. This is how the back looks. You can see there's just a few air bubbles, but that we don't mind that. And here is that cute little... Oh wait, I thought that this was a cat. So what is this one? Is this like a little sheep or llama?
Yeah.
And here's the cat. Oh, this cat is so cute. I love the little tail.
This one came out perfect. No air bubbles. Oh, hi, kitty. Hi. Oh, pretty big house you got. Wow. You want them? You like it? Yeah. You could even look out the window. Come on. Hello. Yeah, you're the. And what's your name? What's your name? Petey. My name is Cupcake. Oh, now let's friend.
You want to go on a swing together?
Dad. I'm at the top of the tree and I found a ladybug. We found a little ladybug. It's on my face now. Oh, you're top. Okay, then I'll go to the secret house. Okay, come on down. Secret house, we need a poo-poo. I need help. Hey, there!
Oh no, now they're fighting. They both want to be in the secret house.
No, I'm in the secret house. No, I'm in the secret house. No, I'm in the secret house. No, I'm in the secret house. No, I'm stuck in the wall. No, I'm stuck in the wall. No, I'm stuck in the wall.
Oh no, she made hers fart. No, she's making a fart again.
I'm stuck in the wall.
Oh no. I just saw something very sad. It has a little rip, so you have to be careful with these. They're kind of delicate. So you can also take the leftover out of the bag and then maybe make like a little monster or something.
Yeah, mine. It's my color slime. I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes.
Coming over to find you. You better hide. Are you in here? Open the door. Or let slimy man in. And do you see me? Come on. Nobody wants to be my friend. Who wants to be my friend? Can I fit in your little secret house? Say you're too big. I'm not too big. Hey, don't pull me. You're breaking me. I thought we were friends. Ow. Hey, you tossed me around like a trash.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye. Please subscribe. We got plenty more videos for you.